Well, here we go again. Danilo Petrucci being involved in just a little bit more drama in Moto America, which is this. Obviously, you have Matthew Skoltz and Max Flinders. I think it's Flinders, number 88 on the right-hand side, stopping probably to do some, practice starts, test starts, whatever you want to call it. And you have to say, there's obviously not enough room to get between them because, well, Danilo hits Skoltz and then Flinders, and then just drives away, and as you can see right here, he's the one that caused the issue, and then flips them both off. Which is just stupid. Like, you see them both starting, obviously Flinders is doing trying to get some heat in his front tire, and then it's just, and bam, bam. Which, for somebody like Skoltz, probably not that big of a deal. If you break a little part, it sucks, but like, for somebody like Flinders, who's just a privateer, like, if you break his handlebar or something, it could be a big deal, and he might not be able to race for the weekend. No, it's just stupid. Like, of all the things to do, obviously you see them slowing down, go around him, move on, whatever. But the fact that he just straight up runs right into him, I don't get it. This is supposed to be one of the nicest guys in the paddock, one of the nicest guys racing. And what does he do? He runs into two people for absolutely no reason. Didn't need to happen. It wasn't like they slammed on the brakes an inch in front of him. And then flips him off. You can't you can't hit somebody, I don't know how you want to say it, and then flip them off like it was their fault. To me, honestly, it's great to have him racing because obviously exposure for Moto America, grow the sport, grow the series, but it's just hilarious that he's now complained about tracks and safety. This is obviously a thing, and then there's something about him complaining in the after race interview too, and it's just funny that one person is all of the drama, something that you never have heard of from Moto America before. But in the comments below, you tell me what you think. Is he good for the sport? Is he bad for the sport? Is the drama good? Obviously, it gets views and everything like that. So you tell me, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.